Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How many times have you promised yourself tomorrow I will start learning English seriously? But after 2 or 3 days, life gets busy, motivation disappear, and the learning stop. Problem is not your ability. The problem is that you don't have a proper system. So today I am starting as 30 days English challenge, and for the next 4 weeks I will be a English coach. Every week, I will share a technique and also give you one assignment. You only have to focus on that week's assignments. By the end of the week, I has developed English learning habit. So let's begin with week 1. The technique of week 1 is habit stacking. This is one of the simply get most effective ways to build any habit, including English. Many people tell me that, sir, how to improve my English? I don't have time. Let me ask you one question. Do you brush your teeth every day? Do you eat your breakfast every day? I am sure that your answer is yes. Why don't forget all these things? Because they have become your habit. You don't need motivation to brush your teeth, right? You just do it automatically. So instead of try to a completely new routine, let's connect English practice with something you're already doing every day. That's exactly what habit stacking means. If you decide that the moment I finish my dinner, I will start practicing my English with one page, any storybook, other English book. You just do it automatically. So instead of try to treat a completely new routine, let's connect English practice with something you are already doing every day. That's exactly what habits stacking means. If you decide that the moment I finish my dinner, I will start practicing my English for 10 minutes, or I will one page, any storybook or any other English book. Then you know what happens? Your brain starts connecting English with dinner, and after few week, it becomes automatically. That's the magic of habit stacking. Another mistake people make is that setting very big goals. They say that from tomorrow I start studying English for 2 hours, 3 hours. It sounds exciting, right? But after 2 or 3 days, they feel tired and they give up. Instead, start small so that it feels impossible to skip. Even 10 minutes of practice is enough to build habit. Motivation comes goes, but habits stay with us. So this week don't depend on your motivation, depend your on your routine. Before I tell you a week assignment, let me tell you, English is a skill, and every skill improves with practice. Also, I want you make a promise to yourself today. For the next 30 days, don't be afraid of making mistake. In fact, I want you make mistakes, because every mistake teaches you something. Every mistake is a proof that you are learning. Now let's talk about this week assignment. This week's assignment is very simple. Every day you have to learn 5 new words and use each words in your own sentence. Every day you have to write one page in English. You can write your day, whatever you have done throughout the day, and you can write your happy moments, sad moments of your life. You can choose any topic you want. The possibilities are endless. So feel free to any topic you want or matches your mood. The only condition is that whatever you write must be in English, and don't skip a single day. Remember, small daily effort create big result. So if you ready to take this challenge seriously, write in the comments. Week 1 started. Next week I teach you another powerful technique. Until then, still then, practice every day. I see you next. Stay happy. I will see you next video.